Hi, my name is Adrienne Marbury. I'm in your 1301 16-week course. I have chosen the career path of dental hygiene. I've been a dental assistant for 9 years, became interested in dentistry when my husband and I were stationed in Okinawa, Japan. There were not a lot of job opportunities for me there. The Red Cross was holding a training program for military spouses to train them in dentistry. So I jumped on that opportunity and received my registered dental assistant license. Working in dentistry, I fell in love. I worked with different dentists. I worked with specialists, orthodontists, periodontists, endodontists. Working with a periodontist was my absolute favorite, a gum specialist. We did a lot of gum therapy surgeries, bone grafts, implants, and I really learned a lot about periodontal disease and what it does to your body. I knew then that I wanted to do more than dental assisting. I wanted to advance my career and study dental hygiene. I wanted that one-on-one relationship with a provider and a patient and helping them fight periodontal disease, which is 100% treatable and is number one cause of heart disease. This is something that I was passionate about, and now is the time, and I have the opportunity to go to school and fulfill my dreams. So that's what I plan on doing. It's also a career that is very family oriented. I'm able to have a flexible schedule by being a dental hygienist, and I'm able to be the mom that I need to be and the wife that I need to be and have a career and help support my family. Thank you.